What is up everyone, in today's video I am going to show you how to fix invalid destination address in Narzo 70 Pro. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, here you can turn on or off your airplane mode. After turn on or off your airplane mode, then go back and scroll down and click on apps and then click on app management. Now scroll down and here you can see the option messages. Now click on it and then click on storage usage. Now here you can clear the cache memory of messages app. After clear the cache memory, then go back to the main page of your settings and click on system and update. Now click on backup and reset and click on reset phone. Now here you can see the option reset network settings. Now click on it and here enter your password for reset your network settings. After reset your network settings, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.